Ever wonder what would happen if a small mistake in your business turned into a huge financial mess? Or what if a client accused you of negligence even though you did everything right? Scary, right? That's where professional liability insurance comes to the rescue. But how do you get it? What do you even need to know before you start? Don't worry, we're going to walk you through it step by step. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or professional in the US, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of professional liability insurance. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this crucial coverage and why it's essential for protecting your business. Let's jump right in. What is professional liability insurance? First things first, what exactly is professional liability insurance? Professional liability insurance, sometimes known as errors and omissions insurance, or E&O insurance, protects your business if a client accuses you of making a mistake or being negligent. It helps cover legal fees, settlements, and other costs if you're sued. This type of insurance is essential for anyone offering professional services, think accountants, consultants, architects, real estate agents, and more. In a nutshell, it's your financial safety net if someone claims you did something wrong in your work, even if you didn't. Now, let's break down the process of actually getting this coverage. Step 1. Understand what's covered by professional liability insurance. Before you dive into getting a policy, you need to know what's covered by professional liability insurance. Business mistakes, if you make an error that costs your client money. Claims of negligence, if someone says your inaction or wrongdoing led to financial loss or harm. Misrepresentation, if you provided inaccurate information that caused damage. Legal defense costs, if you need to hire a lawyer to defend your business. And remember, this doesn't cover everything. It won't protect you from intentional wrongdoing, property damage, or employee injuries. For those situations, you'd need other types of insurance like general liability or workers' compensation. Step 2. Assess whether you need professional liability insurance. Next up, do you really need professional liability insurance? Spoiler alert, for most business owners, the answer is yes. This type of insurance is crucial for any business that offers professional services or advice. A few examples include tax professionals. A client could sue you for making a mistake that results in them losing tax advantages. Architects and engineers. A design flaw in your work could lead to serious consequences, like structural damage or injury. Real estate agents. Even showing a home can lead to liability if something goes wrong. Even if you think the chances are slim, it's better to be safe than sorry. You never know when a client might come back with a claim. Step 3. Gather key information about your business. Now that you know why you need professional liability insurance, the next step is to gather the key details about your business. This will help you get the most accurate quote. Here's what you'll typically need to provide. Your industry. Are you an accountant, consultant, or designer? Where you do business, this can impact your rates. How many years you've owned the business. The longer you've been in business, the better. Number of employees. The more employees, the higher the potential risk. Annual revenue. Your expected revenue helps determine your coverage needs. Insurance and claims history. Have you filed any claims before? If so, for what? Step 4. Get a quote online. Okay, now that you've got your business info in hand, it's time to get a quote. You can get a professional liability insurance quote online in just minutes. Here's how the process typically works. You'll answer some basic questions about your business. You'll get instant access to a customized insurance quote based on your business type and needs. You can adjust the policy limits to fit your budget and risk level. Most insurance providers, like Next, make this process super easy and fast. You can even bundle other types of insurance for a discount. For example, adding professional liability to your existing general liability policy could save you up to 10%. Step 5. Customize your coverage. Once you've got your quote, it's time to customize your coverage. You want to make sure your policy fits the specific risks your business faces. You can adjust coverage limits based on factors like the size of your business, how risky your industry is, how much you can afford in premiums versus potential claims, and if your clients require you to add them as an additional insured. Most policies make this easy to do. This just means that the client also gets some coverage under your policy, in case something goes wrong. Step 6. Purchase your policy. After customizing your coverage, all that's left is to make your purchase. Once you pay, your policy will start immediately. You'll also get access to your certificate of insurance, which you can share with clients to show you're covered. Plus, if you ever need to make a claim, most insurance companies make it easy to file online. What's not covered? Let's quickly talk about what professional liability insurance doesn't cover. Intentional wrongdoing or illegal activity. Property damage or bodily injury, that's what general liability is for. False advertising. Employee injuries, that's where workers' compensation comes in. So make sure you have the right type of coverage for all aspects of your business. To recap: understand what's covered. Figure out if you need it. Gather key business info. Get an online quote. Customize your coverage. Purchase your policy and get protected. Don't leave your business exposed to unnecessary risk. Protect yourself with professional liability insurance today. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.